Hi friends, this is Satish Vasudevan. Welcome to Leadership Learning Series. Sincere thanks for your support for my last video. Majority of you have really appreciated the ice cream technique to retain the people. So I'll be more happy if you start executing those learning and get benefited out of those techniques with your team members. I'll be really happy, and that gives me a lot of sense of purpose of sharing these videos. Now, today we are going to discuss about one very important topic. That's about leadership. In my last 6 videos I was talking about leadership, but I never talked about how to improve our level of leaderships. Friends, there is one greater rule in leadership, that is, say for example, this is your level of leadership. Means you can either underperform your level of leadership or you can perform up to your level of leadership. You can never overperform your leadership. Which means your leadership level is 6, say for example, your performance will be 4 or 5, or in some cases it can be up to 6. But it can never go anywhere higher than this 6. So to improve your level of performance or improve your level of capabilities, there is only one way, that is to improve your level of leadership. The best way is reading. Great leaders are great readers. So today in this video, I am going to suggest you 5 books that every leader must learn to develop his leadership competence. The first book I like to recommend you today is Your Iceberg is Melting by John Cole. This book talks about change management. Friends, there cannot be a better example for change management than this COVID. Things are absolutely dynamic, things are under real chaos, there are a lot of things that's happening around us are completely different. Okay, so there cannot be any better example for change management rather than this time. So this is a wonderful book to read about change management. This book talks about 8 vital steps that every leader must take during critical situations. Step number 1. Creating a sense of urgency in the team. Step number 2. Gathering the team members who are going to take the action. Step number 3. Creating a compelling vision and a new strategy based on the current changes. Step number 4. Communicating about these changes and the action plan clearly to the team members. Step number 5. Empowering your team members so that they are ready to face these changes. Step number 6. Creating avenues so that every team member achieves small immediate successes in the process of this change. Step number 7. Building the momentum towards success. And step number 8. Creating a new culture of embracing change. This is what is the summary of this book, Your Iceberg is Melting, that every leader must read. This book talks about change management and our ability to improve our leadership skill during crisis situations. The second book which I like to discuss is a very famous book by Ken Blanchard, The New 1-Minute Manager. This book talks about your ability to get things done from your team members. What is leadership? The core of leadership is getting the task done by the team members, and this book gives you 3 valuable ideas to get the things done from your team members. Idea number 1. Creating a 1-minute goal. A 1-minute goal which clearly describes the task that has to be done by the team member with the action plan. Creating a 1-minute goal. Second idea what it gives is 1-minute appreciation. So catching people doing right, 1-minute appreciation. That's the second idea. The third idea which is described in this book is 1-minute redirection. When things goes wrong, it is immediately our responsibility to inform about our teammates about the consequences about the action and redirect the entire process so that a favorable outcome is achieved. So those are the three important crux of this book, The New 1 Minute Manager by Ken Blanchard. The third book which I like to recommend is Good to Great by Jim Collins. This is a wonderful book, and Jim Collins is such an author. This book is based on 20 years of research about all executives across all countries. So what is the message gist of this book? This book talks about how you can develop your leadership skills from level 1 to level 5. In the level 1, we are a competent individual. When we rose up to level 2, where we became a contributing team member. In level 3, we became a confident manager. Level 4, we developed ourselves to an effective leader. Level 5, we became an effective executive. So this book helps you to climb the ladder of leadership, the 5 important levels of leadership. So every leader must read this book, The Good to Great by Jim Collins. The fourth book which I like to recommend is my all-time favorite, 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John C. Maxwell. Friends, this book talks about 21 laws of leadership. You all must understand what is meant by a law. A law should work anywhere and everywhere. Say for example, when I drop something from 1 meter high, when I drop something 1000 meter high, the law of gravitation remains the law of gravitation, because these parameters never change the laws. Similarly, this 21 irrefutable law of leadership works everywhere, works to every set of leader, every kind of leader. This is a wonderful book to read, my dear friends. 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John C. Maxwell. And the fifth book which I like to recommend is The Leadership Gap by Lolly Dusker. This book talks about 7 archetypes of leaders and the gaps of these leaders which prevents them from achieving great things. It talks about 7 leaders. The 7 leadership archetypes that are described in this book are the rebel, the explorer, the hero, the navigator, the truth teller, the innovator, and the knight. It describes the 7 archetypes of leadership and their corresponding gaps. This is one book that every leader must read, The Leadership Gap by Lolly Dusker. So friends, as I said before, good leaders are great readers. So these 5 books, Your Iceberg is Melting by John Kotter, then Good to Great by Jim Collins, The New 1 Minute Manager by Ken Blanchard, 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John C. Maxwell, and The Leadership Gap by Lolly Dusker. Make a habit to read at least one of these leadership books every month. Believe me, my dear friends, a great transformation will happen in your leadership abilities and skills. So with that, I wish you all the best for your happy learning. Get committed to learn. So if you like this video, kindly like this, comment this, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends too. Meet you in the next leadership video. Bye bye.